All right, so in this video, we're taking a look at 7Rim's SR-AU01-K2 USB microphone kit for PC, phone recording, and streaming. How's it fare? Well, I'll give you my thoughts on it up next. Hey guys, what's going on? It's Low for Low Nose Tech, checking out the new gear that's coming out and giving you my honest thoughts and opinions about it. And today, we're talking about the 7Rim's USB microphone kit. Now, this is a budget microphone kit. And obviously, within the budget microphone realm, you're trying to get good professional sound without breaking the bank compared to those $1,000, $500, even $200 microphones. We want good sound without breaking the banks. So let's get straight to the unboxing and see what this little bad boy looks like. And here we go. Here is your microphone. If I can get it out, here we go. Your 7Rim's microphone. You've got a nice little yellow stencil happening in the front here. You've got a mute button that you can engage on and off, and of course you've got your volume or your gain knob to control it right here. Again, this is a USB-C microphone, as you can see here. And you also have your headphone jack for USB monitoring. The actual feel of it, it's not metal. It feels maybe, I don't know, tinny or aluminum. As far as the grill is concerned, it's not. You can't see through it. But it's not metal as well. It feels kind of like almost like a really hard plastic version, but it's not metal. But yeah, this is the actual microphone here. Actually, continuing, we have our stand as well. We have this thing is in here. We've got our shock mount. We have our USB-C cable. Okay, and of course your USB-C adapter to A adapter. Going in, we have our pop filter. And of course our metal base. You know, I said on the back of the box it said windscreen. I don't see a windscreen in here at all. Oh well. So as I set this up, let's talk about why you would want to be interested in a microphone like this, the 7Rim's USB microphone kit. And usually a lot of times if you have a webcam or the webcam that's built into your laptop, the microphones in those things, they're just not good. So if you want to upgrade your audio, you want to invest in a nice microphone. Now, obviously, again, you don't want to break the bank with a high-end microphone or a USB interface with a microphone. Sometimes you just want to get as close to professional sounding quality that you can get, again, without breaking the bank or just kind of like destroying your wallet or losing your crypto nowadays. So that's one of the main reasons why you would want to actually consider getting a budget microphone such as this. Now, I also want to say this is not the first 7Rim's microphone that I've reviewed before in the past. I reviewed their mini shotgun microphone for mirrorless cameras and camcorders and things like that, and I thought that had an amazing sound. It just came out of nowhere, and for what it was, especially connected to a separate field recorder, it just had an amazing sound for what it was doing. And through my previous test with this microphone, 7Rim's, they've repeated the same thing. Great sounding professional sound coming from this microphone. Of course, remember, it is a budget microphone, so you do have some differences. But so far, the second 7Rim's microphone that I've reviewed before, I've reviewed so far, they do deliver when it comes to sound on a budget scale as well. All right, so let's connect this directly to my laptop. All right, and everything coming from now on will be the actual microphone. Okay, so this is what the 7Rim's microphone sounds like, and like I said before in my previous test, I was just impressed by how initial. All right, so let's hold off on that right now because that was not sounding good at all. That was nothing representative of the previous test that I did before. And yeah, so I decided to connect the microphone directly into my main computer, and now we're actually getting a better sound, the sound I was getting before. So I'm not sure why I was getting that tinny sound connected to my laptop, which is very interesting. In order to connect it to this computer, I have to use the actual USB-C to USB-A adapter. So again, I don't know if that's I don't know. There's gonna have to be a lot of trial and error to see exactly what's going on here. But yeah, no longer recording on the laptop, recording directly on my main computer using that little adapter. Okay, so let's get into the details of the microphone like I was trying to do before. Yeah, budget microphone. This microphone does comes with a 16 millimeter capsule cardio condenser microphone, meaning that it has a cardio pattern. It's a heart pattern where it picks up the voice coming right here, normally focus here, and it rejects sound coming from the back. Staying with the theme of a professional microphone, 192 kilohertz with a 24-bit. So that is definitely professional sounding output coming from your microphone. So yeah, I normally send my professional audios at 16-bit. This is recording at 24-bit, so you're getting that additional buffer, that additional headroom when it comes to this quality of recordings if you're ever going to have to render it down. Also, this comes with a zero latency monitoring because of the headphones right there. So let me just connect that in right here, and I'll give you a brief sense of my experiences with that. The second time around, since you didn't have the first time around. And yeah, when you're recording yourself, oh yeah, definitely just sounds better the second time around. You can definitely monitor yourself again. Zero latency recording when using the 7 rims microphone, USB microphone kit. There's that. Also, going back to the headphone, you see we have this little knob here. This actually adjusts the output or the gain of the microphone, so you can match your levels. Right now, I'm kind of looks like I'm a little hot. I'm kind of peaking at -6, so I can actually roll it back a bit so I can get some lower levels, and you can control that as well. Of course, if I wanted to, I can just go really loud on it and just kind of overload the microphone. But we're not going to do that. We're just going to go right back here to have it go into -6, and we'll probably just lift it up a little bit in post. And there goes my daughter crying. All right, so next feature on the list, this allows you also to connect this to your smartphone or tablet through the USB-C interface. Now, from my experiences, I guess my tablet wasn't sending audio out from its USB-C port. It's just used to charge, and that's about it. So I really don't have any examples or tests from that, but it does offer that feature if you want to connect this directly to your smartphone or tablet, which is pretty cool. Talk about an ultimate portable setup, especially since this microphone does has a good sound. Let's talk about the mic stand for a second. One of the things I like about the mic stand is its actual weighted. Oh boy, let's get. Oh boy, hold on. Well, I'm okay here. Hold on. Okay, is its weighted stand. If you can see right there, it's really solid. Definitely weighted. This thing is not going anywhere. I mean, it's just kind of stiff. You've got the actual. You've got the pull the mic stand where you actually can adjust. You can bring it down or bring it up, match it to your face. And of course, you've got your shock mount right here that you can articulate and point it directly for yourself so you can get more close, really get that sound. And of course, as always, when you get close to your condenser microphone, it really brings out the richness of your voice when using a microphone like this. That's why condenser microphones are so good. But with that being said, if I'm using this for a Zoom conversation or gaming, I'm not really going to be all up on top of the microphone. I'm probably going to be right here just having a very casual conversation with you. Next thing for the microphone, let's take a look at it with the pop filter. Here's the pop filter that comes with it. I'm going to do a quick test of the pop filter. I don't know, for all the times that I've used to actually use this microphone or test this microphone, I never saw a need to actually use this. Yeah, but let's test it right now. Peter Piper packed a pack of pickled peppers. Wow, it needs it right there. So let's test it right here. Peter Piper packed a pack of pickled peppers. Wow, it actually does a pretty good job. All right, so this is up to you. Cosmetic or practical, that decision is definitely up to you. The shock mount test, yeah, we spoke about it briefly. The shock mount, it's okay, right? If I were to give one fault to this entire setup, I definitely think it's the shock mount. I don't think it's enough to handle real vibrations. I mean, all right, well, I don't feel any vibrations coming there. I can just hear the sound of it, but yeah. All right, well, maybe I got to eat my words. It's doing a good job. Obviously, if we're going through an earthquake, right, it's it's not going to do anything. But just from the appearance or the look of it, it looks like it's kind of like, all right, well, I guess you're going to stop some vibrations. But yeah, the shock mount is serviceable. And of course, the all metal design, like we said before. The only thing metal on this microphone is the actual base itself. And that's about it, guys. That's my review of the 7 rims USB microphone kit. Again, it is a professional sounding budget microphone. Can I bring this down? I'm going to bring it just a little bit down, further down to my face right there. Yeah, it is a professional sounding budget microphone. And of course, with these budget microphones, you're not trying to go for the best of the best. You're just trying to get some best sound for the lowest price possible without breaking the bank or converting your Bitcoin or things like that. We just want good sounds, and we don't want to have a whole bunch of equipment just to record our voice. We want a good, affordable option, and I think the 7 Rims microphone is a good choice. It's a good place to start and invest your money in. All right, guys, that is it. Let me know in the comments down below what you think of the 7 Rims USB microphone kit, and also leave a link down below so you can pick one up for you, and also check out other reviews or details or features on this microphone as well. Again, guys, thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think about this, and as always, learn, do, and share. I will catch you in the next video. Bye-bye.